2021. So 2020 just passed away, and lot of us thinking that, oh my God, it was a very bad year. But I don't think so. Because I think whatever we have learned in this single year, probably we couldn't learn throughout our entire life. And thanks to Amway India, the last 22 years, whatever Amway has implanted in our mind, we really realized that in last 1 year, that an extra source of income is so important for us. Immunity is so much important for us. Everything we learned in this 1 year, and thank you Amway India for that. And in this lockdown period, when the entire world was under lockdown, we transformed from the physical to the digital media, that our connectivity, the reach to the people have increased like anything, and as a result of which we grew, because our visibility, our unity, our uniformity, everything increased in many folds. And as a result, we became a new double diamond this year. Thank you.
Absolutely. So this is a business of all season. We know it, but lockdown, this COVID situation proved that physical to digital transformation. It's very easy to say, but not that easy to transfer. Okay, but for that we need that flexible business. But thank God, thanks Amway, this business is designed in such a way we just transform to the digital platform like anything in just a few days, and we got the benefit of it. A60 was really awesome. We enjoyed it really lot in A60, but A70 will be awesome because you will be with us. In A70, we just take that oath that we will grow at least 3 times our total turnover. So let us take that oath and make that A70 really awesome, because you need just 3 things in this business. One smartphone, which already we utilize it like anything, passion, we build it, and that vision, A70. So Amway is ready.
We are
ready. You are also ready. So let's do it together.